Hey friends! Today, we are exploring top-rated car diagnostic readers designed to easily decode those frustrating check engine light warnings. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car diagnostic readers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Omega diagnostic tool for cars. This powerful, multifunction OBD2 scanner brings professional-level insights directly to DIYers and seasoned mechanics alike. It effortlessly reads and clears engine error codes, displays live data with graphical views, shows freeze frame data, checks I/M readiness, and collects detailed vehicle info. Although ABS codes aren't supported, it still provides clear code definitions to help you understand your vehicle's health before heading to the shop. Compatible with most 1996 and newer US, European, and Asian models, it supports all major OBDII protocols and multiple languages, making it globally versatile. Its rugged, compact design features a heavy-duty 2.5-foot cable, ensuring serious durability while working in busy garages or on the go. Equipped with a built-in battery tester, plus O2 sensor and EVAP system diagnostics, it actively helps maintain engine efficiency, reduce emissions, and prevent unexpected failures. Lightweight, highly accurate, and fast, it is perfect for home use or as a thoughtful gift for car enthusiasts. Next up, our second product, the Ancel Universal OBD Scanner for car. Highly recommended by veteran mechanics, this reliable and user-friendly tool is completely ideal for both passionate DIYers and professional techs. It efficiently identifies the root cause of a check engine light, empowering users to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, view live and freeze frame data, check I/M readiness, and retrieve essential vehicle information. Designed strictly for durability, it features a sturdy 2.5-foot cable, a sleek body weighing just 12 ounces, and a large, crystal-clear display. Its lightweight construction makes it exceptionally easy to transport, while intuitively labeled buttons dramatically simplify menu navigation. Supporting all OBDII protocols, including CAN, KWP 2000, and ISO 9141, it remains universally compatible with most 1996 and newer vehicles across domestic, European, and Asian markets. Plus, it draws power directly from your vehicle's data link connector, completely eliminating the need for internal batteries or chargers. Fast and highly accurate, it's a home or travel essential. Coming in at number 3, the Carista Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. This versatile, wireless diagnostic device is brilliantly designed for car enthusiasts who demand full control over their vehicle's diagnostics and custom settings. Right out of the box, it provides fundamental OBD2 functions, such as reading and clearing standard codes. However, accessing its advanced diagnostics, live data streams, specialized service tools, and vehicle customization features requires a premium subscription through its dedicated app, available in 1-month or 12-month plans. Compatible with a broad range of makes including Audi, BMW, Toyota, and Volkswagen, it integrates seamlessly with supported systems. Its all-in-one functionality allows users to perform DIY maintenance, precisely monitor live engine parameters, and unlock hidden settings that are normally SFD-locked, offering officially licensed customization for Volkswagen Group vehicles. Harnessing rapid Bluetooth connectivity, it works effortlessly with Android and iOS smartphones, putting comprehensive diagnostic power and advanced personalization right into the palm of your hand without relying on expensive dealer workshops. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Stuhl OBD2 Scanner diagnostic tool. This feature-packed, budget-friendly Bluetooth scanner is meticulously crafted for both everyday DIYers and home mechanics. Offering lifetime software updates and zero subscription fees, it provides unrestricted access to diagnostics, reset tools, and maintenance functions for almost any vehicle built from 1996 onward. Its wireless BT 4.0 connectivity enables cable-free scanning from up to 33 feet away, making active bidirectional tests on components like fuel pumps, injectors, and windows completely effortless. Equipped with 26 essential reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, SAS, and ABS brake bleeding, it actively helps maintain your car in peak condition while saving you hefty dealership fees. It supports over 85 car brands with upgraded protocols for FCA AutoAuth and CAN-FD, guaranteeing full compatibility with modern models. Furthermore, it delivers up to 8 live data streams with real-time graphing, OE-level full-system diagnostics, and extensive multilingual support. Compact and reliable, it is an absolute garage necessity. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan tool. This professional-grade scanner is specifically engineered for owners wanting deep automotive insights without the steep cost of shop equipment. It allows you to reliably read and clear trouble codes across the engine, ABS, airbags, SRS, and TPMS, giving you access to crucial data typically reserved exclusively for mechanics. Beyond simple code reading, it generates unlimited, detailed repair reports outlining possible causes and verified fixes, while also offering real-time live data monitoring while you drive. Its seamless wireless Bluetooth connection lets you diagnose your vehicle directly from your smartphone or tablet without any tangled cables. The highly intuitive companion app even includes repair videos and step-by-step instructions, empowering DIYers to handle maintenance confidently. A one-time purchase covers absolutely everything with zero hidden subscription fees, supporting all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 onward. Backed by 24/7 professional support, it ensures you always have expert guidance right when you need it. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.